Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Hope you're well. I'm down at the Gold Coast store today and behind me is a 2019 79 series. Now I met this customer at the Gold Coast show and he was telling me about his cruiser and what he'd done to it. Let me tell you, when he drove into our shop today, I'm absolutely blown away. This car is super impressive and one of the best 79s I've seen getting around on the road. He was telling me how he got it tuned a while back and he's just not happy with the down low torque. I was really surprised because we tune about 8 of these a week and the results we get from 70 series is really impressive and the customers are just blown away with the results we get. So I spoke to him and told him to come in, we'll retune the car and let me show you the results. When he presented the vehicle to us, it had been tuned elsewhere. So the results are, it had 125 kilowatts of power and 421 Newton meters of torque. After we completed the custom dyno tune with the modifications to this vehicle, it went to 149 kilowatts and 615 Newton meters of torque. Now you can see below 2000 RPM, the improvement in torque is so significant. And that's the most important thing when it comes to towing a vehicle or just all round torque, getting you out four-wheel driving. This is a super impressive gain over the previous tune that had been done to this vehicle. As I said, we specialise in 70 series. We do roughly 8 a week across our 3 shops and the results, I think, speak for themselves. So if you're looking to improve the performance of your 70 series cruiser, give us a call at Ultimate Diesel Tuning because that's what we specialise in. And also remember, we've got dealers all around Australia that can help tune your 70.